Good morning. How are you? What is it? 10:35 by the watch. Justin Kapani, India Standard Time. A very warm welcome on my YouTube and the founder CEO of a setup in Delhi NCR Anticorn Design. We are in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions. And in designing, we have this talk on AI and its effect and everything. And recently, as recent as the day before yesterday, I was at one of the studios in Delhi NCR, which is the Marwa studio, and there is an interesting festival going on journalism, the International Film Festival, and the topic this year is largely how AI is going to impact journalism and the industry and stuff like that. But hold your horses. This is not about this uh, festival and this event. I'm going to touch on it. Yes, I'm going to do a different video on that. But so, how's the Josh? Firstly, how's the Josh? How's the love quotient and how you feeling on Valentine's Day? How many dates do you have? Have you exchanged this? How many lunches? How many dinners? How many movies are you watching and stuff and all that? If you've had all these chats and stuff, that's great. You have a date. But if you don't have a date in the world of AI, what is it that what is happening and how are things changing and stuff? Are you apprised of this? Let me help you with this, okay? So there is an amazing article, and after I ended reading it, I was like in splits and stuff because it's talking about the bads and the goods of AI, and it's talking about how Gen Z and the present generation is trying AI to make its companion, and they may be using it to get their own Valentines, or they're finding their own partners, or their own, relationships, the forever or whatever and stuff. Okay, so so you're lucky if you have emotional support on AI, but some of it is wrong. Some of the counseling and relationship talk and is wrong on social media and stuff. So it's an interesting article. It's written by Sandeep Das, and he's talking about the promising experiments. And looks like a part of Japan and Korea is already happening to Bombay and Bangalore and Delhi. So he touched upon festival dating, AI companion, and logging on to social media, the AI avatar, the toolbox, which is going to be helping or is helping Gen Z, and how people are looking, or they're only focused on talking to online supports because they are scared of real relationships and stuff, and the challenges they are facing and stuff. So let me go through this for you. So today is Valentine's Day. So every interaction, online and offline, seems to be about romance and love. But I mean, I did not think about this. Not every interaction is. At least for me, it was not. Okay. So Valentine's Day gifting is also a big market, and is growing 25,000 crore for the entire week. Does this business, which is booming, mean everything is hunky dory in love? No, actually, not. It's all hunky dory because what's happening is that there are challenges before each generation. So I refer on Gen Z. On Valentine's Day, loneliness is a real problem for some people and a lot of people and stuff. And they are worried, is the word. They are feeling, let's use a negative word, pressure, and they are feeling stressed that they don't have a partner, they don't have a relationship happening and stuff, and